It starts in the fields.
Rows of ripe fruit. Machines carefully shake the bushes.
Only the ripe ones fall. Harvested within hours. Straight to the packing house. The sorting begins.
Leaves and stems are removed. Cameras check every berry.
Only the best continue. Perfect fruit only. Final human check. Packed with care. Ready for stores.
Sealed fresh.
Others are frozen. Locked in freshness.
Ready for months.
Sorted and packed. Prepared for delivery. A precise system.
From bush to package.
Simple, fresh, perfect.
Blueberries. Carefully brought to you.